Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be writing two letters and we'll be trying to use the cursive join and we'll try to see how we can write or join two letters in a correct way, and we'll be seeing various drills to improve handwriting or the joins. So let's start the video. In this video we'll be trying some difficult letters which are difficult to join, and we'll be trying to improve them and we'll try to see how we can write them correctly. In this part, all the valid words will be written and each word will have two letters and they will be written in cursive. In this style, each initial letter will have an extension. So each letter will have a small extension from the base. Example, in the I, we can see a small extension, and in case of M also there is a small extension, and in case of O also there is a small extension. The main part will be the joining, so each letter will join to the next letter either from the top or from the base. Example, the letter O has joined the or connected the letter F from the top, or the letter O has connected or joined the letter R at the top. In the next part, all the same words will be written without any extension. The main part is the join, and the join remains same. So whether without any extension or with some extension, the join will remain same. A letter will join to the next letter either from the top or from the base. Example, the letter A has joined the letter T from the base, and the letter A has joined the letter N from the top. So far, all the two letters valid words have been written only, but we need to write all other possible combinations of two letters or writing other word, and they will be having various combinations. So some drills will be shown which will help to cover everything. Same join formula can be used for straight or vertical handwriting also, because the same letters will be written, only the slant will change or the angle will change, so the join remains same. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel, and thank you very much for watching.